Native Americans in Battle. This is a map of France and Belgium during World War I. The map shows 28 of 32 locations where Native Americans won distinction in World War I. The crosses on the map mark graves where Native Americans died in battle and were buried. The stars mark places where Native Americans won military honors.
I wish there was like a blue light or something so I could see those places better. Wow, that's a lot.
That's not even all of them. I ran out of blue marker.
Do not mark up the Library of Congress exhibit with blue marker.
Okay, whatever you say, invisible narrator lady.
Seriously, show some respect. Native American soldiers were 5 times as likely to die in battle. 5% of Native American soldiers died, while 1% of all American soldiers were killed. Their valor in battle was a major factor in the passing of the Indian Citizenship Act that conferred citizenship on all Native Americans. Yes, you heard that right. Even though over 1/3 of Native Americans were not recognized as citizens, 12,000 fought in World War I, most of them volunteers, and another 10,000 joined the Red Cross. The most decorated Native American during World War I was a Choctaw soldier named Joseph Oklahombi. You can learn more about him in the War Stories exhibit. He was truly amazing.